USD closed higher compared to the start of last week's trading, and speculative views are likely to be caught off guard when technical results are challenged. USD price range 1.07795. 1.08855. Technical traders may notice that the USD price range has settled this week, but they should not be reassured. The lack of clarity in economic data and the view that both the ECB and the Fed are backpedaling creates the potential for known values to be tested as monetary authorities try to maintain fair market prices. It will be interesting to see if the pair can hold the 1.08000 level towards the end of the week and test the 1.08400 area before closing slightly lower on Friday. Trading earlier this week will need to be closely monitored to gauge fragile behavioral sentiment. But if USD holds steady in the first few hours of Monday, it could begin to prove that FX believes that the current price range is in equilibrium. USD is in the lower tier of its 3-month price range, and given the 1-month charts, it is in the middle of the range. These charts seem to confirm the fact that the current values are here to stay.